If you need to copy modifiers in Blender quickly, there are two really useful methods you should know. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy all modifiers from one master object to multiple selected objects, and then how to copy just one specific modifier without affecting the rest of the stack. This is a huge time saver when you're working on multiple objects that need the same look, the same smoothing, or the same procedural setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the fastest method for copying all modifiers at once. This is the select and link method, and it works best when you want several objects to match one master object exactly. Start by selecting the objects that are missing the modifiers. These are your target objects. Then, hold Shift and select the master object last. This is very important because the last selected object becomes the active object, and it should be the one that already has the modifier setup you want to copy. In Blender, the active object will usually have the light orange outline, so make sure that's the correct one. Once your selection is set up properly, press Ctrl and L on your keyboard. This opens the Link menu. From here, choose Link Modifiers. In some versions of Blender, this option may simply appear as Copy Modifiers, but the idea is the same. Blender will instantly copy the entire modifier stack from the active object to every selected target object. If those objects already had modifiers, this action will overwrite them with the master object's modifiers, so always double check your selection before applying it. This method is perfect when you want multiple objects to behave exactly the same way. For example, if you have several meshes that all need the same bevel, subdivision, mirror, or array setup, this is the quickest way to synchronize them. Instead of adding and configuring each modifier manually, you can copy everything in just a second. Now let's move on to the second method, which is better when you only want to copy one specific modifier. This is the copy to selected method, and it gives you much more control. Let's say you have a modifier stack with 5 different modifiers, but you only want to copy the bevel modifier to other objects without changing their existing setup. In that case, first select your target objects, then shift select the master object last, just like before. Next, go to the Modifier Properties tab. This is the blue wrench icon in the Properties panel. Find the specific modifier you want to copy, such as bevel, and look at the header of that modifier. On the right side, you'll see a small downward arrow icon. Click that menu, then choose Copy to Selected. Blender will copy only that one modifier from the active object to the other selected objects. The big advantage here is that this method does not overwrite the entire modifier stack. It only adds the chosen modifier, which means the other objects can keep their own unique modifiers while still sharing one common effect. That makes it ideal for more advanced scenes where objects need to stay flexible but still share certain procedural settings. So to recap, use Ctrl+L and Link Modifiers when you want to copy the full modifier stack from one master object to many objects. Use Copy to Selected when you only want one modifier copied across selected objects. Both methods are fast, both are useful, and once you get used to them, they can save you a lot of time in Blender. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.